To install BTV on Firestick, start by clicking on the search option from the Firestick home screen and typing Downloader in the search bar. Once found, click on the Downloader app and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Next, go to the settings on the home screen. Select My Fire TV, then Developer Options, and choose the Install Unknown Apps option. From there, enable the Downloader app. After enabling it, open the Downloader app, and with the Home tab selected, click on the URL field. Carefully enter the URL using the on-screen keyboard. Type in the address and select the Go button. Wait for the Downloader app to download the BTV app. When prompted, scroll down to the bottom right and click Install. After installation, select Done, which will take you back to the Downloader app. From there, choose Delete from the menu, and then select Delete again to complete the process. This is the basic method for installing BTV on Firestick.